Good day, my name is Shoal and I work for Micrographics. We can be found on the web at www.mgfx.co.za. Now the purpose of this video is to show you a quick way to access the Getting Started guide for AutoCAD. Now if you've bought the software, you have access to the Autodesk desktop app. If not, I have actually added and you want to learn more about AutoCAD, I've added the links below the video to access the information readily. Right, so just to go through the process, if at the bottom of your screen, if you've installed AutoCAD, a little app called the Autodesk Desktop app has been installed as well. You can access that by looking at these installed applications, and one of them is the Autodesk Desktop app. If you open that, you will see at the bottom of this list of software that you own, you see that there's a complete list of products and services that link that you can click, or alternatively click on your name, and then below that there's a account details that you can select. Right, below your below your image there's the same link as well. Right, so if you click that, you access then the Autodesk account. Now within this Autodesk account you can assign users, you can see your software, you can download your software, you can download updates and service packs, you can troubleshoot your software and such. Right, now opening this Autodesk account, it lists all the software that you own, where you can download them on the right. But if you want to learn more on this area, you can click on the home link on the left, and inside the main area you can watch a video, or there's some reading information that you can follow to learn more about the desktop app and the Autodesk account. Right, so on the right hand side at the top next to your profile image, you can see there's a question mark icon. Click on that, and that opens up and gives you information on products and troubleshooting. You follow that link. Once you're on that page, you can see some of the getting started guides of other software. We're interested on the left here on the AutoCAD, or with the AutoCAD one, so I'm going to click that. Right, inside that area you will see 4 main parts. One is to link to the forums, troubleshooting existing or common issues, some downloads, as well as learn. I'm interested in the learn part, so I'm going to click on that. Right, and in here it allows you to go through a couple of videos and guides to learn more about AutoCAD. The first one here is they call it the Hitchhiker's Guide to AutoCAD, which is quite a nice fun way to learn. Right, there's also tours and different other information that you can follow about saving drawings and 3D and such. Alright, I'm going to go to the Hitchhiker's Guide. If I follow that, you will see that there is some reading information. It's just the getting started. So the first 3 parts is getting started. Then these chapters are about design, and then these chapters are about documentation. So if I just follow the first one, the basics, if I click on that, it's basic commands that you can learn about, and it's some of the it's a lot of reading, but at least it gives you a nice way to follow with the software that you can and then go through about how to learn and use the navigation tools and such. Alright, so it talks about templates, how to start, and some of the units and such. Right, so if you want to learn more about AutoCAD, you can follow this Hitchhiker's Guide and take it from there. Right, in saying that, if you want to do a formal class-based course through Micrographics, hosted by our experienced application engineers across the country, you can go visit our website. It's below the video, and inquire more about doing AutoCAD courses through us. Right, so thank you for watching. I hope this will give you a good idea of how to get started using AutoCAD.